Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. Today we're revealing the new project. My buddy Matt's truck. He got rid of this Sierra. You saw that on there before. And here's his new truck. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna throw a couple pictures in here, get you guys little details on the truck. And then on this video, we're gonna put a new exhaust on it. I'll put a cold start in here with the stock exhaust, and we're gonna upgrade to the Corsa catback exhaust. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Our resonator back exhaust. Corsa, he just got it in today, so we're gonna get that thing installed and then go from there. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Appreciate everybody watching, all the subscribers. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy this video on the Corsa catback system for the Ford F-150 5.0 liter. This is a 2017 Platinum Edition. Alright guys, so before we go into the exhaust, just wanted to point out real quick, he's already upgraded the wheels, already got 22-inch wheels. They're status alloys, running a 305 45 22 tire. Look pretty sweet. Already upgraded the brakes to they're like perfect stops. They're slotted cross drilled, zinc coated, so no rust. Look really nice. And I already put a 2-inch leveling kit in the front end to help raise it up so it's nice and even with the back. These Platinums are sick. Already come with the running boards, like the amp research boards, but those are stock from Ford. It's got the sick leather seats in it. So I'll go more into the truck when we do a full video on it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of why he upgraded from the Sierra pickup. It's got the big navigation screen, touch screen, Sony stereo from the factory. So alright guys, we're gonna get this thing pulled in and then start changing out the exhaust on it. Alright guys, here's a Corsa exhaust system for it. Comes in the muffler, the tailpipe section, and a sweet tip. It's around here somewhere. I'll find that for you guys real quick. So we're gonna get the old exhaust off, and then when I'm underneath there, I'll show you guys what I mean as far as resonator back instead of cap back. So, alright guys, got the old exhaust out. See, it's from the resonator back, so there's a resonator in here. If you want to go to a Corsa Extreme, you take this resonator out and you just straight pipe it. But we're gonna leave it in there and then see how it sounds. Alright guys, so way better than the stock exhaust. You got the nice stainless double tip. Pretty easy to install. They got it on in like 15 minutes. There's a clamp right here from the factory. Just loosen that up, take your stock exhaust out. It comes out in one piece. Like I said, there's a factory resonator. So it's resonator back.
It might not be anymore.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're about to take it around the block. Hope you enjoyed that short install video. We're gonna get some poles and you guys can hear what it sounds like from the inside. So we're gonna do like a 0 to 50 pole because we're in a residential area, so we can't go too fast. But hope you guys enjoy this. Sit back and no traffic. We'll be able to get you some sound clips right quick from inside. Really not too bad, even with windows down. Windows up, there's no drone at all. So we might be going Corsa Extreme on it and ordering the delete pipe for the resonator. Not sure yet. He's gonna drive for a couple of days, let the muffler break in, and then we'll go from there. But it definitely changes the tone, sounds real good. So we'll try to get some more videos up on this truck. Make sure you follow the channel in Auto Addiction for 2017 Ford Platinum build, F-150, 5.0 liter. This truck is legit. So you saw his last truck. I can just imagine what he did with this truck. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys on the next video.